Here's one way to find studs behind tiles. Take any magnet, preferably a strong one. Here I have 2 magnets I took from a hard drive, so I've stacked them together to make the magnet stronger. But you can use any magnet as long as it's strong. And then I tied a string so I could dangle the magnet like so. Then you just scan each tile for any metallic object like nails or screws. Oh, so there's a screw or a nail there. You can see how the magnet is attracted to it. So you just keep scanning that. So for this tile, there's only this one screw there, and then I'm gonna mark it with a tape so I know where it is. Now the reason I'm dangling it on a string is that sometimes the tile could be too thick and with a mortar, and it's gonna be hard to detect it if you hand hold it like this. See, when I'm holding it like this, it's hard to detect that metallic object because the distance between the magnet and the nail or the metal object is too far. But if you dangle it on a string, it's sensitive enough that you can detect it easily. See, it's attracted to it. It's gonna pull. So that's what you do. You just scan the tile slowly, each tile, scan it methodically, and that's one way to search for studs. Now with this method, you can only find studs that has nails or screws into them. You won't find studs that have no metal objects in them. So we know there's a stud here, but there could be another stud here or stud here that have no metal objects in them that we won't be able to scan with this method. All right?